Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, May the 31st, 2018, and in this last day of the month of May, we have Intel that has actually posted on its Intel Store page new CPUs, Core i7s and i9s that actually have clock speed up to 5 gigahertz. It seems that these new chips are really running fast and probably, trying to compete as best they can with the AMD Ryzen CPU that's been selling really well in the past year. So we'll see if this brings a lot of improvements to PCs. Well, changes. We know that there were some changes to Microsoft, in its different teams, like Windows and even, the Microsoft Edge team. Well, it seems that more changes are happening. Windows Dev team is actually being shuffled, and some changes and some new faces are getting into play. Also, the Edge team is moving around. Some people are shifting from one team to the other. So lots of dev stuff happening. And of course, we'll be checking that out, as this might actually change the future of what Windows will be. Well, if you're using the Groove app on iOS or Android, well, it will be retired on December 1st, 2018. So it doesn't mean that it won't work anymore, I guess, but they will retire updates and they will retire the app. I don't know exactly what it means. For example, I was using it to stream my OneDrive music. Will that stop working? I don't know, but at least these apps are going away. Well, Intel has unveiled its Optane line of memory modules. Yep, they have Optane SSDs that are really, really fast. Well, these are memory modules that could basically change the world of computing. Faster than RAM, and actually SSD-like capabilities, meaning they'll retain information even when you're powered down. That could totally change the way we use computers in the future, and they will come up to 512 gigabyte modules. Google, Microsoft, and Apple teaming up for a good effort. They're teaming up, and we don't see these companies teaming up that much. It's nice to see that they are teaming up to actually bring Braille to the visually impaired, and a new type of screen that they want to actually create to help, of course, the visually impaired with their use of computers. So this is going to be interesting to see what comes out of this teaming up. Well, a survey among teens is showing that the #1 media that they look at is not cable at all. YouTube is the number one way that actually young teens are actually looking at videos and shows. It seems that YouTube is way, way high up, much more than cable TV. A new technique that is very interesting and looks promising for eye health is actually using a 3D printer that actually can use human cells for 3D printing of eye parts. So if you have eye injuries, they need to, actually reconstruct something, they can actually use a 3D printer. Kind of interesting. Well, California defies the AT&T and FCC with tough new net neutrality laws. It's the first step, they say, and that it will actually fight in court if the FCC or AT&T or any company wants to actually reverse this law. So this is going to be interesting to see, and this law is much tougher than the FCC net neutrality rules that were in effect. A survey finds that IT companies have to fight off more than 1,000 cyber attacks every day. As the time goes by, this number is increasing, and more complex attacks will need more and more complex solutions. So maybe a IT security guy could be a good job for you. WWDC, or the Worldwide Developer Conference, Apple's event, is starting this Monday, And of course, everybody has its eye on what will they actually be talking about. What will they be showing, wondering if, will there be new Apple TV, new Mac computers, new iOS 12 info? What else could be shown here? And of course, it all starts with a keynote on Monday, so we'll see a lot of things happening. U.S. government report highlights the need for international cooperation to stop botnet attacks from around the world. The report says the internet is a worldwide thing, and of course, the efforts need to be worldwide also in order to keep us and all the organizations and governments safe. This was the Tech News Update for Thursday, May the 31st, 2018. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.